Hello student, good morning. Today I would like to describe about the circular motion. Dear students, in this topic we will describe the uniform circular motion and velocity when a body is moving on a circular path. First of all, circular motion. An object moves on a circular path is called the circular motion. Just you see in this figure that an object is moving on this circular path of radius r and the arrow mark is showing the direction of its motion. Next is uniform circular motion. When an object moves on a circular path with the constant speed, then its motion is called the uniform circular motion. Consider a body be moving on a circular path of radius r with a constant speed v. The distance covered in one revolution is equal to circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. Let the time taken by body to complete one round is t second. Then its speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Distance covered is equal to circumference and time taken is equal to time period. This will be equal to v is equals to 2 pi r by t. By using this formula, by knowing the value of radius and time of revolution, we can calculate the speed of the body. Now one question is that while the object is moving on a circular path, what is our conclusion about its velocity? Is velocity also constant? No, it is not true. The velocity of the body is not uniform. This is because its direction of motion changes regularly. To explain this, to understand this, we can consider a polygon. Suppose a body is moving on a polygon, so the body changes its direction up to the number of times of the side of the polygon. Now compare this motion of the body on a circular path. On a circular path, the body continuously changes its direction, and therefore, due to change in direction, its velocity is not constant. Velocity is not uniform. It also changes regularly. Therefore, the motion of the body on a circular path showing that its velocity is changed regularly. Now we consider 2 points P and Q to show the motion of the body. Suppose at point Q, the velocity of the body is plus v. And what is its velocity then at point P? Its velocity at P will be minus v. Why? Because its direction of motion is just opposite to that of the previous position. This shows that though the magnitude of velocity is the same, but it's due to change in direction, the velocity is not same. Right? Suppose the body is moving with a speed of 5 meter per second on the circular path. Then at Q, its velocity is plus 5 meter per second, and at P, its velocity will be minus 5 meter per second. So there are two different values. One is plus 5 meter per second, another is minus 5 meter per second, showing that the velocity is not same. Therefore, the circular motion is an accelerated motion. Circular motion is an accelerated motion whose direction of acceleration is always towards the center of the circular path. Whose direction of the acceleration is always towards the center of the circular path. Now we are taking an example. Now take an example to find the speed of the body moving on a circular path. A motorcycle moves on a circular path of radius 14 meter and completes one round in 20 seconds. Find its speed in meter per second and in kilometer per hour. So given that radius is equals to 14 meter, time taken is 20 second. Now the speed is equal to circumference by time taken, that is time period. So circumference is 2 pi r by time is t. Therefore 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 by 20. This gives us 22 into 2 by 10, that is equal to 4.4 meter per second. So the object is moving on the circular path with the constant speed 4.4 meter per second. Now change this speed into kilometer per hour. So 1 meter per second means 1 by 1000 by 1 by 3600. This is equal to 3600 by 1000. So naturally this comes as 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Therefore 4.4 meter per second is equal to 4.4 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. After solving this, we get 0.88 into 18 kilometer per hour or 15.88 kilometer per hour. In this way, we can calculate the speed of the object moving on a circular path. Now another question is, if the earth takes 365 days to complete one round around this sun, and if the average distance of the earth from the sun is 150 million kilometer, then find its average speed.